Greetings from Manvision Labs.
We are going to demonstrate Vidyut platform which can be used for commercial or residential building lighting automation. You can have individual control, group control as well as sensor based control. For individual control, I'll turn on the light in the living room. Living room light 1 is turned on and bedroom light 1, living room light 2, bedroom light 2, kitchen light, bathroom light as well as terrace light. We have interfaced two sensors, that is lux sensor as well as motion sensor. So coming to motion sensor, if it detects any kind of motion, the lights in the living room will turn on. And after some times, if it detects no motion, lights in the living room will turn off. You can see there is a lux sensor on the top. So if it detects the light intensity which is more than some threshold value, the light in the terrace will turn off. And if the light intensity is less than some threshold value, the terrace light will turn on. We can also have group control. So if I have to control all the lights in the floor 1, turn it on or off, I will now turn on the lights in the floor 1 on. The lights, you can see all the lights in the floor 1 are turned on. I can turn it off. I can vary the brightness level, 50%, 85%, 100%. Can also turn it off. I can have the RGB control as well. All the lights are turned to blue, green, red, so on. I can control the RGB as well as brightness individually. I'll turn the bedroom light 1 on and bedroom light 2 to some maybe pink, and kitchen light to green, bathroom light to maybe blue. If again it detects any kind of motion in the living room lights will turn on. So you can see the flexibility. You can change the configuration. You can also change the group, which light belongs to which group, you can change that. And not only these two sensors which we have interfaced, you can also interface many other sensors like carbon dioxide sensor, which will detect the carbon dioxide level in a room and changes the ventilation. And also you can have flame sensor. If it detects any fire from a distance or from near, some of the lights should go red. So that kind of configuration also you can make.